Hello everyone, I'm Lokesh here. Welcome back to CADD Nest. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to use the design software Catia V5. So if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do like, share and subscribe to our CADD Nest YouTube channel.
Here I'll be going for part design environment. Under part design, I'll be going for a sketch mode and select my reference plane. Here it will take us to sketching mode. Say I'll be drawing a simple lines over here like this. Now the first command I'm going to teach you is the fillet. In order to get a smooth corner, we go for a corner option. Select the corner. And here I'll be selecting a corner, say this line and then this line. Here you can insert your fillet radius. Double click on the radius and you will be editing a value required. Say for example, I'll be clicking it as 20. Like this you will be using corner option. The same way we have a chamfer option. We'll be selecting a lines, say this line and this line. Here you will be specifying your chamfer distance. Say for example 20. So corner is used to get a smooth corner and chamfer is used to get a sharp corners. The next command we are having is the extend command. In order to extend your lines, you will be using the extend command. Here the extend command will be named as a trim and trim command will be named as quick trim. So you can see here, if I select a trim option, you can extend your curve. Say this is my curve to extend. Like this, you will be extending your curve. That is, the line will be extended. Once again, go for trim. Select the line to be extended. Like this, you will be extending your curve. The same way we have quick trim option. Quick trim is used to trim the extra lines. Say for example, I will be selecting quick trim and select a line. You can see the line has been trimmed out. Again, select a line, trimmed out. Like this, you will be using quick trim option. Trim is used to extend the line and quick trim is used to trim the line. And also next command we are having is break command. Break command is used to break the lines. Say for example, if I am going to select this line, you can see my whole line has been selected. Here also, this vertical lines, whole line is getting selected. If I break these lines, it will split into two different parts. Say for example, I will be taking break this line with respect to the vertical line. Now you can see, if I am going to select my line, my whole line is not getting selected. Why? Because I have breaked my line with respect to vertical line. This is the help of break command. Now you can see each entity is split into two different parts. This is about break command. The next command we are having is close arc command. For that, I will be taking a simple circle over here. Like this. I'll be trimming a extra corner. That is, say I'll be trimming this corner. Now you can see, if I use the close arc command, the curve which you have trimmed will reappear. Say for example, I'll go for close arc and I'll select the arc. See, like this you will be using the close arc command. The entity which you have trimmed will reappear. The next command we are having is complement command. For that, I'll be trimming this curve. Go for complement. Here, the trimmed portion will appear and the existing portion will be vanished. Go for complement and I'll be selecting this curve. So now you can see my trimmed portion has been appeared and the existing portion which was before the trimming vanished. This is how we'll be using close arc and then complement arc. Let me tell you once again. Close arc is used to close the arc. Close arc, go for select your curve. So arc will be closed. And if you go for complement option, the existing component will be erased and a trimmed component will be reappearing. Complement select. Like this you will be using these modified tools. These are all the basic modifying commands that are required for your drawing. In the next video, we are going to see some more advanced modifying tools. So this is all for now. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.